The cuckoo bee deposits a droplet of nectar into the comb. Through a process of regurgitation and
the nectar is stored in honeycomb cells, where it begins to thicken.
The uncapped honeycomb is then ready for honey extraction.
After extraction, the honey is filtered to remove any remaining wax particles. Quality control ensures the honey meets industry standards for taste and texture. If necessary, the honey undergoes pasteurization to kill any yeast. Pasteurization helps extend the shelf life of honey while maintaining its flavor. Once pasteurized, the honey is cooled to room temperature before bottling.
The honey is now ready to be filled into jars and sealed for distribution.
The bottling process is automated to ensure efficiency and consistency.
Once the jars are filled, they are sealed tightly to prevent contamination. Each jar of honey is labeled with batch numbers and expiry dates.
Jars are packed into boxes and ready for delivery. After packaging, the boxes move along conveyor belts for final inspection. Pallets are stacked efficiently to maximize transport space. Each shipment is tracked using digital inventory systems. The result is a product shaped by nature and refined by technology. The cartons are removed from the conveyor belt and stacked onto the pallet. Once sealed, the cartons are rapidly transferred to a holding pallet, awaiting pickup by the automated transport system for warehousing. The forklift moves the pallets towards the warehouse. Pallets are meticulously stacked and arranged to optimize every cubic inch of transportation space. Temperature and humidity are continuously monitored during storage. Proper storage prevents crystallization and quality degradation.
The logistics teams prepare the shipments for regional distribution centers.
Each shipment is tracked using available digital inventory systems.
Millions of jars of honey reach consumers each year through this process. Each jar of honey tells a story of precision, patience, and the effort of nature.